Hi everybody, welcome back to Generic Fun 98, and now I have a funny marble run. You just put the marbles in here, let it go in this funnel, and go all the way down here. It's a joke, but I have this on the picnic table because it's very tall. I'm gonna have to occasionally hold on to the tripod because it's windy. Remember what happened with the kickball. Anyway, here we go. Look at all the marbles in there. It's going down the tube. Put some more in. Taller than me, I can't reach. I did this when I was little too, and it was so hilarious. I have nothing else to do, so I'm holding on to stabilize it, so that way it doesn't fall down. I'm not done with it yet. This is kind of stupid, but also funny. It's fun for those uncreative marble run builders. It can all go down the drain. Also, it can clog too, depending on how many marbles you put in here. I've had the same marble run since I was young. And it's never failed to let me down either. Just keep putting more marbles in. There's a few I didn't put in, but don't worry about those. Clean them up later. Here comes more. I have to hold on to this for support, and because if I let go of it, it'll fall down. You can do more if you want. I would suggest, if you want to make it taller, I was going to make it taller, but didn't have enough people, so this is what I got. My roommates and landlord told me not to go on the table, but I'm doing it anyway. No one's looking, so I'm not on the table. Only my tripod is, and my marble run box is. I only put it up there to view it. But there's a few more in here. Oh. Watch. Hold on. If you let go, watch this. It makes a huge mess. Look at this glorious mess right here. Now I have to clean it up. Oh. Had a camera fail there. Anyway, hope you enjoyed my video for today. And please like and subscribe if you're new here. And stay tuned for more great content. And I'll see you guys all next time right here on Generic Fun 98. Bye!